Good morning students. In this video we will discuss earthing and its types. Before getting into the topic, we must know why we need this earthing and all, right? First of all, I can say earthing is the first safety precaution against electric shock. First safety. If you are not doing earthing properly, definitely you may get shock. For example, I can say if it is the body of the equipment, sometimes you may get shock, right? If you touch the body of the CPU, computer CPU, you are getting shock. That is improper earthing. Like a small amount of current is flowing, leakage current is flowing. So if you are getting that, definitely that is improper earthing. If you are not getting any shock, like from the electrical appliances, like refrigerator, washing machine, laptop, TVs and all, if you are not getting shock, definitely that is proper earthing. Earthing must be done all the equipments for the equipment safety as well as person who is operating his safety also. Okay, that is called as earthing. Earthing in the sense that to maintain zero potential, to reduce minimum resistance in the earth, and whatever the leakage current directly goes to the earth, that is called as earthing. And there is two types of earthing. One is plate earthing, other one is pipe earthing. Even though at present we are having a chemical type of earthings, right? Let's see one by one. Okay. So this is the earthing pit. They used to keep some charcoal, salt, layer by layer, and then this is the earth pit ground, around 2 to 5 feet, not 2 to 5 feet, as per rating of electrical power supply. Okay, based on that only we are making that depth and all, and then placing of that earth rod also. So this is a phase wire, neutral wire, and also this one is earth wire. My question is, these two pins are small and this pin is big. Why? Because first we need to insert that switch, right, into that plug. First earthing, first safety, after that phase neutral connect. If instead of connecting here to here, what happens? So the whole body becomes electric, and then if you touch the body of the equipment, you may get shock. That's why the pin is big. So you have to insert according to that manufacturer, this one. Otherwise you may get shock. So if you replace that, definitely you will get shock. So this is the earthing done by the motors. So done for the motors. Okay, this is your three-phase supply. So this is phase neutral if it is single phase motor, and the equipments must be earthed. The body of the equipments, the cover must be earthed because of to eliminate this hazardous locations, like the person who is operating, he should not get shock. The equipment should operate according to requirement. There is no damage, there is no losses in the equipments also. Okay, this is three-phase supply, just for understanding purpose. And earthing, the definitions: connecting the electrical equipments to general mass of the earth wire and negligible resistance. Negligible in the sense less resistance. Okay, if the resistance will be increases in the earth, what happens? Sometimes you may get shock because resistance increases. Definitely, current will be decreases. So the short circuit current will not go directly into the earth because resistance is more. Current it will be go slowly, right? So earthing is bring the body of the equipment zero potential. So zero potential, to maintain zero potential. If it is potential will be some values, definitely you may get shock. And this is ensure that the person who touches the body of the equipment does not get any electric shock. So if it is zero, not a zero, definitely you may get shock. The main purpose of objective of earthing is provide safety of the operation. I told you, right? First safety for electrical devices. And metallic body and a plate or pipe embedded in the earth is called as earth electrode. We are having two types of earthing. One is plate earthing, pipe earthing, based on the earth electrode, whatever we are choosing, right? Based on that. Copper is a good electrode compared to galvanized iron, but copper is costly. That's why we are keeping galvanized iron. Okay. And this is the earthing chamber. I have taken photo from our college. This is from the Google. See here, this is the earthing chamber for maintenance purpose, and this is a cover for after maintenance. You have to fix again. This is for like concrete chamber is for to maintenance purpose. See, we have to place salt, charcoal layer by layer for maintaining the resistance less, and also to increase the conductivity of the soil. So that's why we have to pour the water monthly, 6 months once and all. We have to check earth resistance value. Okay. This is earth electrode. This is earth electrode. Okay. And these are types of earthing. One is plate earthing, other one is pipe earthing. So plate earthing, just see. Plate earthing is this one. Plate is inserted into the ground. I mean buried into the ground around 2 to 3 meter. And layer by layer charcoal and salt we are placing to increase the conductivity of the soil and to reduce the resistance of the soil. And also the layer by layer whatever keeping, right, that is standard value. And also this is the conduit pipe for connecting, and this is earthware for external connection, external circuit connection, and this is a funnel for pouring the water because in the summer season the earth resistivity will be increases. So for that, if you pour water into the earth, so the conductivity increases and resistance will be decreases. That's why we are having a funnel for pouring the water. Similarly, for this pipe electrode, see here, pipe is placed vertically down and layer by layer, salt, common salt, charcoal, common salt, charcoal. Why they are placing common salt and charcoal? Any answers from you guys? Any? I mean, I need information. Answers like. Common salt is a good solvent, right? Salt is a good solvent. And what about the charcoal? Charcoal is a good absorbent, right? That's why they used to keep those two material layer by layer to increase the conductivity of the soil and to reduce the resistance of the soil. Obviously, the resistance will be decreased, current will be increased. Whatever the short circuit current, leakage current directly goes to earth without any obstacles. That's why the resistance should be reduces. And funnel for pouring the water in the summer season, the earth resistivity increases due to drying of land. So pouring the water for increase the conductivity of the soil. And conduit pipe for passing the wire, and earth wire for external usage. Okay. And this is the type of earthing we can find near to our college. These are the earth electrode. This is earth electrode, and this is a placing of plate earth electrode, and this is a pipe and placing of pipe here, and after the construction of this earth electrode. Okay. And next we can draw like this diagram also for the earthing chamber. This is the earth chamber. This is earth chamber. This is earth chamber, and this is a electrode placing vertically down, and this is distance, and then funnel for pouring the water, and the distance in the earth from the surface to the ground, and total here 2.75 meter, and total you can expect 2 to 6 meters. Okay, likewise also you can draw the diagram plate earthing. Okay, this is plate earthing. This diagram you can draw. I think these two are enough for the examination point of view. You can draw this diagram. Prescribed book they mentioned this diagram. This is good, so you can understand easily, right? And another one is here earth leakage circuit breaker. Suppose here load present. If some fault occurs, any abnormal condition occurs, automatically this relay will sense that fault by using auto transformer. By using current transformer, not auto transformer, current transformer. Current transformer measure high current, and relay will be there. Send the signal to the circuit breaker. Circuit breaker contact will be open. Okay. And next we have RCB, residual current circuit breaker. Out of syllabus, I can say this is not there. So if suppose anything happened, the fault occurs in the transmission lines. Here, transmission lines, this is a load, okay? This is a consumer side or whatever you consider a load. And this is CT here, current transformer. Current transformer send the signal to the relay. Relay coil send the signal to the circuit breaker. Automatically this contact will open. This is a circuit breaker operation or like MCB operation. Okay. Thank you so much for this class, and I think you got some idea about this domestic wiring and earthing, safety precautions, and two-way control, three-way control of lamp, earth leakage circuit breaker, and residual current circuit breaker, and types of earthing also. Thank you.